Josh Atkinson. Today we're going to show you how to use a smart board. First thing you got to do is turn this bad boy on. When it comes on, you'll see this and it's loaded. Alright, Josh, you got the computer going over there?
Yes.
Alright, okay. It comes up to the start screen of the computer. The first thing you got to do is go over here to the start and then to Smart Notebook 10. Let it load. Next thing you want to do is go to Orient so you can calibrate it. You just follow the direction. And it is now calibrated. Wait for it to go off. Okay, next thing you're going to do is bring up the keyboard. Easy, it's on the board itself. You can bring it to move it anywhere you want to, just like that. And we're going to write EDM 310. Next thing you want to do, you can do is bring it, you can double click it, bring it to the middle, and you can do all kinds of stuff with it. You can change its font to anything you want. Why aren't they changing it? Oh, I got to highlight it, that's why. There we go. Highlight it. I don't want to change it. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Can't even understand it's different. There we go, that's fine. You can change the font size. You can make it bold, italicized, underline. And you can change the color. It's orange. There you go. Next thing you want to do, you can take away the keyboard and you can write. And I'm going to let Josh demonstrate how to write it. Josh Atkinson, I'm going to show you how to write on the smart board. So we're just going to pick up the pen and start writing. And then we can manipulate this by hitting the mouse key, bringing that up. And we can clone it by hitting the arrow and then clone and move it over. Or we can spin it around or do whatever we want to it. And then we can delete it by hitting the arrow. And then we're going to bring up an image by hitting this little picture frame and then dragging the images over. And you can pick whatever you want, the oranges, the sandwiches, and then we can clone these two, move them around, and do whatever we want to them too.
I'm Kate, and I'm going to show you how to do some fun things with your objects. So pick a picture. We're going to do Mona Lisa. Drag her over. Put her in the middle here. And then click her. Press your arrow, go to Properties. And then go to Object Animation. And we want her to fade in. And we can change the speed to slow. And you can also change when it occurs. And we'll keep it on when the object is on the page. And it can repeat forever. And there she goes. You can also change the transparency. Well, you can. We'll just. You can keep changing it. She can flip it around. And we can even clone her again. And there you go.
I'm Brittany Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to do some interactive and multimedia. First, you're going to go to your gallery, and you can click on My Content or Gallery and Essentials, and you can click on what you're going to do. Today we're going to go to Science, Chemistry, and we're going to do Elements. Then you'll find the periodic table. You're going to want to drag it over. When it's up, you can click on this. You can select it and move it wherever you'd like. And you can also, there's periods. It'll highlight it. If you click on what period you want, it'll show all the elements in that period. You can also click on the groups. You can click on each group and it will highlight it. You can click on the element. It'll show what element, and it'll show all their facts. The symbol, the numbers, all the atomic numbers, the atomic mass, the mass number, protons, neutrons, and electrons. You can do that. You can search for an element, or you can just click on them to find which one you want. You can click to see which ones are the metals. You can click to see which one is the non-metals. And last, we want to save our work. So we're going to go to Save. And wherever you want to save it, once again, you have to click the keyboard. And we're going to put EDM. And whatever you want to save it under, that would be what you saved it under. And then you would click Save, and it would save it. That's it, and then you can exit out of it, and you could always pull it back up. Once you're done with everything, you can always shut down your computer, start, turn off the computer, turn off, and then you want to turn off the smartboard. And it'll shut down.